Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with the book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 8 by Serifera Publications. Let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter number 49, Famous Parliament Buildings of the World. Now here some of the pictures are given of the famous parliaments from the various places of the world, various countries from the world, and here we have to identify the country to which these parliaments belong. The name of the parliament is already written above. We just have to mention the country to which they belong. Let's see. Now first, it's important to know what is a parliament. A parliament building is a building where a parliament meets. Now name the countries to which these parliament buildings belong. Help desk is also given over here. We will take the help from here and then write the answers. So let's begin with the exercise now. The first building that we are watching is known as the Riksdag, and this is a parliament of the country Sweden. Then the next parliament is Federal Palace, and it belongs to Switzerland. Next we have German Bundestag, and this belongs to the country Germany. Fourth one is known as the National Diet, and it belongs to Japan. The fifth image is of the Capitol, and it is located in United States. Sixth image is from the Federal Assembly, that is from Switzerland. Moving on to the seventh, this is known as the Storting, and it is in Norway. Then eighth, this is in New Zealand. We call it as the Beehive. Then next, the Great Hall of the People. This is located in the country China. This is our own Sansad Bhavan in India, which is located in Delhi. Moving on to the 11th, Jatiya Sangsad Bhavan, and that is in Bangladesh. Next, moving on to the last image, this is known as the Palace of the Westminster, and this is located in UK, United Kingdom. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.